Hey there! So, imagine you have this problem where you've written a code that works perfectly fine, but there's just this one tiny issue with the way the list is being populated. The problem arises because you're using the append function, which adds elements to the end of the list, but you don't want the list to start with a blank element. Tricky situation, right? Now let's talk about the solution. The key here is to initialize the list without that blank element. So, instead of starting with my underscore list equals, you should simply go with my underscore list equals. By doing this, you ensure that the list doesn't begin with any unwanted blank element. Remember, my underscore list must be initialized before using my underscore list append, add underscore item underscore to underscore list. In summary, it's crucial to pay attention to how you initialize your list when working with the append function. Make sure to start with an empty list by using my underscore list equals to avoid any unexpected blank elements at the beginning. And there you have it. Problem solved. Hope this tip helps you out in your coding journey. Alright, time to wrap it up. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!